And so this is where our nutrients absorbed into our blood. When it gets into our blood, then it becomes part of you or me. And tomorrow in our first lecture, I'm going to show you, when we look at diabetes, what happens once it gets out of the gut and into the blood. In my next lecture tonight, we're going to be looking at, let's see if we can go back. Yes, we're here. After the break, we're going to come out of the ileocecal, in through the ileocecal valve, which is a double-layered valve here, into the colon. And we're going to finish our journey through our gastrointestinal tract. So when you consider the digestion of our food and our gastrointestinal tract, which organ is the main organ of digestion? It's the pancreas. Because the pancreas finalises fat digestion, the pancreas finalises starch digestion, the pancreas finalises the fat digestion. And you will notice that when someone has pancreatic cancer, they often die very quickly from malnutrition. They die from malnutrition because if the food's not broken down to tiny substances, it actually can't get out of the gut and into the blood. And that's why the knowledge on digestion is such an important one. Because our cells require the nutrients, our whole body requires the nutrients to function properly. So the effective breakdown of our food in our gastrointestinal tract and the absorption out of our gut and into the blood, the health and sustenance of our whole body requires that process. And so we've moved on, we've absorbed our food, we've had a look at all the things that we can do to ensure that it's going to be working effectively, and now we're coming through the ileocecal valve into the colon. That ileocecal valve is a one-way valve because we don't want anything from the colon to go back into the small intestine, as you can imagine.